Lots of crap. Good morning, Edward.
Good morning.
So we're leaving Marshall after a wonderful night and day.
Yes.
Day and night.
Yeah, we're a little late to leaving.
What time is it now? 10?
11:15.
That's okay. We got about 40 miles to go. We'll have a nice time. And goodbye, hotel. Goodbye, Denny's. Hello, busy road. Hello, construction. A beautiful ride out of Marshall. Hey Eddie, I think there's a path on the other side of those railroad tracks.
You know, it could have very well been a path. We didn't follow it all the way down. And we got
well, if you're gonna be on a road, this is the road you want to be on. It's beautiful, not a lot of traffic. So we had a leisurely morning in Marshall. Eddie slept late. I got the Marshall video done, which was no small task. Now we have a 40-mile ride into Jackson with a stop at a cider mill about halfway along the way. At least that's what I'm hoping. Hopefully it'll be open. So we just stopped to turn the lights on. I figure if you bought the equipment, you might as well use it for its intended purpose. Showing off is exhausting. Eddie's singing. I think he thinks he's in the shower. Let's hear you sing, Eddie. The corn is as high as an elephant's high. Hello, Albion! I am not slowing down. Here we go. Welcome to the Albion River Trail. Yay, us! Goodbye, not so bad roads. Hello, trail. Yay! Happy Tuesday. Happy Friday. I don't know what day it is.
We don't either.
Downtown Albion, I think. Happy Friday. That's a pretty lookout. A little sculpture. All right. Over here. Let me look. Yeah, because the river's got to stay to your left. Keep the river to your left. Wow, is that pretty? Beauty alert! Happy Friday! I hope you catch some fish. Happy Friday! Man, who put this hill here? Woo! This is cool. Such a nice road, you know?
Yeah,
quiet.
once again, we were on a trail for like a second.
Yeah.
Did you just kiss the GoPro?
I was moving it.
Oh.
Look at that tree. Man. Oh.
You think you're gonna be okay?
Yep, I do. Come over here and just put your hand here and hold the bike up.
Look at you.
Okay. What? Okay, you're supposed to...
What happened?
I changed gears and it fell short and it got stuck. I couldn't get it out. I usually can click it back on. I mean, it's never happened on this bike before. Is it on?
I think so.
Okay. Let's keep going. All right, we're back into business. Let's do it. That's a lonely tree. Well, we had a little chain excitement. I switched to gear and the chain fell off, so I had to pull over and fix it. Eddie had to come back and we took the panniers off, lifted the bike, easily put the chain back on, and we're back into action. Glad that was that easy.
No cider.
No cider today.
And or donuts.
Or donuts. Welcome to Concord. We'll go a little bit, and if we can't find anything, we'll just stop on the side of the road.
We got the Tigers lineup.
That's awesome, you got it. And we're at a baseball diamond facility.
A high school, I think. We're gonna mix it up and do Nutella and jelly.
Nutella and jelly. Nutella and jelly at a beautiful picnic place.
We didn't pack plates, which was a mistake.
Yes, it was. There's an art to this, you know. Nice and smooth. Perfect consistency. At the trailhead. Thank you for visiting. Okay, I'm gonna get on the trail. Jeez, oh Pete's. I'm on the trail. Get off my back. Oh, this is nice. Beauty alert! There's the beauty. Beauty alert! Good afternoon and happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Beautiful horses. Have a good day. Happy Friday.
Nice.
Have a good ride.
Nice.
Happy Friday. So it looks like this trail will take us right into Jackson. Beauty alert. Happy Friday! Hello!
Hello, we are now very close. In fact, I think we are in Jackson. That's the inner city bike trail.
It is the inner city bike trail.
And we gotta go through the city to get to our hotel.
Jackson, up ahead. Well, this was a nice day.
Yes.
So let's see, we went from Marshall to Jackson. And how is Marshall to Jackson different than Kalamazoo to Marshall?
It was much more pleasant. It was, we were on road for the first 13 miles or so.
12.9.
12.9. But it was a really nice road, a pretty rural road, kind of in between farmland and corn. It was really
not very
busy, nice asphalt. And then we got on a trail for a little bit, and we got back on a road that was similar. That wasn't that.
The roads
bad.
they were peaceful.
Yeah, the roads were nice and peaceful.
Big cornfields.
You had a problem with your chain, but we fixed it.
I had a mechanical. It was very minor mechanical. I must have shifted wrong or something like that, and the chain missed the gear and fell into the middle, and I had to stop the bike. Took the panniers off. You came back, lifted the back wheel up so I could spin the chain back on the wheel. No big deal.
And then for the most of the end of it was on, nice trail until we got right into the city, and we were on the road for a little.
What was the name of the trail that I like so much? The real smooth.
Something River. The Falling Water.
Falling Water Trail
was beautiful.
Was beautiful. I mean, it was awesome. And then, frankly, the Jackson Intercity Trail was incredible, and it took us right up to the last 2 miles.
Mm-hmm.
Last 2 miles, not so nice.
It took us right through the where the first state prison was. We went right through the walls with the guard towers.
Yeah, that was really interesting.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then there was one really big hill. I don't think we have a video of it. A really big hill.
That's right. We had to get off our bikes and walk.
We walked.
Yeah.
But now we're here at our hotel in Jackson, and we're gonna eat food and watch the Tigers.
We're gonna watch the Tigers, and for that we have to sing. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game.
1, 2, 3.
All right, I'll be back in a second. That was fun. That was fun.
It's a big hill.